Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude AI to Trello. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting here makes it easy to access your account controls and settings from the main workspace. Once the page is loaded, look toward the bottom left side of the screen and click on your account area. This is where Claude keeps profile options, workspace preferences, and connection settings. After opening that menu, click on Settings. The Settings section is where you can manage the tools and integrations that Claude can work with. If you are connecting Trello for the first time, this is the place where you will set everything up. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. This area is specifically designed for linking Claude with external apps and services. Connectors allow Claude to interact with other platforms, which can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. When the Connectors page opens, move to the top right corner and click Add. This starts the process of attaching a new service to your Claude account. After that, click on Browse Connectors to see the available options. This will open a searchable list of apps you can connect. In the search field, type Trello. As you enter the name, the matching connector should appear in the results. When you see Trello, click on it to open its connection page. This is where Claude prepares the integration and shows the option to link your Trello account. Next, click on the Connect button, or whichever connection button is available on screen, and then follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your account setup or whether you are already signed into Trello, but the process will guide you through authorization and permissions. Be sure to review each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being granted. Once you complete the on-screen connection flow, Trello should be linked to Claude through the Connectors settings. If the connection does not appear right away, give it a moment and check the Connectors page again. In some cases, refreshing the page can help confirm that the setup is complete. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of connecting Claude AI to Trello. With the integration in place, you can continue exploring how these tools work together inside your workflow.